सवाल होता है।
सर टच नहीं करना, टेबल को टच नहीं होगा। हाँ
We had laid specific motor vehicle checkpoints, and we were successful in apprehending certain people, and we made some recoveries from them. In furtherance to the investigation from and interrogation from these people, we were successful in busting a big narco terror module, which was operating from different places in fact in the UT, as well as some part of it even outside the UT. And on the basis of investigation so far, we have been able to arrest in all 10 people, and we have been successful in seizing a total quantity of almost 5.5 kgs of heroin, packed in 11 packets. We have also been successful in seizing 10 grenades from their possession. We have also been successful in seizing 4 number of pistols with 4 magazines and 20 rounds from this possession. Besides this, some vehicles, including a small LP truck, Verna, a scooty, and other such vehicles have been seized in the case. We have also, in fact, made some arrests. Our teams are currently in Jammu, and they have made some arrests with the assistance of Jammu Police also. This all was a joint operation with the Army and the CRPF. In this, we were also successful in getting some cash, which in all amounts to around 21.5 lakhs. There is also a couple of checks amounting in all up to 1 lakh. And the total worth of the contraband that has been seized, the drugs that have been seized, is nearing to about 25 to 30 crores in the black market. So in all, this is a big catch for us, and we are hoping that further leads will come out, and we will be able to get a few more arrests in the case. Yes, in fact, the people which have been arrested, which have been detained at Jammu right now, there are 4 of them there. 3 of them are from Punjab, and they had come specifically from for this purpose from Punjab, and to take the delivery of these things. Our investigations are underway. We are seeing the role of each and every individual, and further details will be divulged into.
Sir, where from the narcotics have actually come from?
Our information was that the narcotics have perhaps come from across the border, and they were to be transported from here, and certain deliveries had to be taken, and some of these deliveries had taken place, and that's when we received the information, and that's when we acted, and we have in all till now arrested these 10 people. कुपवाड़ा से नहीं है, जैसा कि मैंने कहा कि हमारे पास अभी तक जो कुल मिला के 10 लोग जो हैं हमारे पास गिरफ्तार हो गए हैं, और इन 10 में से हर एक की, कुछ लोग कुपवाड़ा से हैं, कुछ लोग काफ़ी डिफरेंट अजला से हैं। इनफैक्ट मैं कहूँगा कुछ श्रीनगर से हैं, कुछ इसमें बारामूला के हैं, कुछ इसमें बड़गाम के हैं, और इसमें जो कड़ियाँ हैं वो मिलती जा रही हैं, और कुछ लोग इसमें, जैसे मैंने ऑलरेडी कहा कि पंजाब से भी हैं, तो इसमें कड़ियाँ मिलती जा रही हैं। तो देखते हैं आगे इसमें और कितनी कामयाबी मिलती है।
सर कस्बा उड़ी में ये कैसे पहुंचे सर?
देखिए, वो इन्वेस्टिगेशन का पार्ट है, उसकी डिटेल हम आपको इन ड्यू कोर्स बताएंगे, और वो पार्ट ऑफ हमारा जो